Welcome back to Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions, Day 6, CountIFS. Now, very similar to what we learned in the previous video, sum IFS, it is count IFS, nothing but count ifs. If there are multiple conditions to be checked before we doing count, this is the best formula and the only formula in Excel. Right now, let me go back to the same table. So now you already have fair understanding on what data we are dealing with. It's a Virat Kohli score, not the real one. And these are the venue and the type. In the previous video, we learned how do we sum Sydney, where only T20 were played. But here in this video, let's learn how do we find out total ODI matches played by Kohli in Melbourne. Now only ODI. So one is the condition ODI, other one the condition is Melbourne. So let me list down those conditions. So again, you can use them, directly type them inside the formula, or you can use the cell reference. But I personally recommend use cell reference for the exactness, and that will look more standard, right? Now formula begins. The day today day 6 it is. So count ifs. So the formula begin with count IFS, and here there is no sum range. They just need only count, only the count range, nothing but criteria range, right? There is no sum range argument we require. Now we need criteria range 1 and criteria range 2, criteria 2, criteria range 3, criteria 3, and so on. Now this will be our criteria range 1, and number 1 first criteria is Melbourne, and this is our criteria range 2, and the criteria is ODI. All right, there are 3 matches. Let's verify. Melbourne ODI. Yes, there is 1. Melbourne ODI 2. There we go, 3. So there are 3 matches played by Kohli in Melbourne which are of ODI matches. Hope it makes sense. And yes, you can continue adding any more range that you would, any more criteria you would like to. That will certainly be possible. Right. So that's it for today's video. And I will not be teaching you average if. Take this as a homework. Average IFS. So I have only covered sum ifs and the count ifs. Thank you. So this is all for today. Short video, to the point explanation, and daily dose. Okay, subscribe for more videos. Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. All is well.